Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps Lagos State Commandant Usman Ishaq Al-Fadarai congratulates the command's Public Relations Officer Oluwaseun Abolunrin on his new Award of Excellence, which he bagged on Monday, 2nd October 2023, during a lecture series, Graduation and Induction, organized by the Institute of Criminology and Strategic Studies in commemoration of the 63rd Independence Day anniversary of our dear nation, held at the National Youth Service Corps Orientation Camp Hall at Iyanokwaja, Lagos. Security agencies present at the event include the Nigerian Police Force, the Federal Road Safety Corps, Nigerian Immigration Service, Nigerian Correctional Service, and the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps. Others include LASTMA, Man O' War Peace Corps, and the Nigerian Legion.
Today I've been awarded for excellence, having emerged the overall best performing participants at the maiden staff course of NSCDC Command and Staff College in Lamingo, Jos, which was just concluded on the 16th of August 2023. And I feel proud. I also feel very good to emerge as that kind of a well-groomed and trained officer of the Corps. And this portends to say that whenever you are given a task to do or an assignment to do, put all your best so that the reward will be clear for everyone to see. And the Institute of Criminology and Strategic Studies of Nigeria is more or less like putting me on the spot, because this is an institute where I also bagged a fellowship award, and by the grace of God, the credence to my efforts, which they have also put, has also shown with the award I just backed again. And that's to show you that the institute believes in its product as much as the product also believes in the institute. So it's a very commendable institute. It's an institute I like to recommend, to global participants, even to those who are here in this induction this year, that they should not leave here without trying as much as they could to become a member of the institute.
Meanwhile, Chief Dr. Jackie Aduni Kasim was also awarded respectively. In the same vein, Assistant Superintendent of Corps 1, Omotayo Idowu Christiana, was also inducted as a full member of the Institute of Criminology and Strategic Studies of Nigeria today, after completing the maiden staff course at the NSCDC Command and Staff College, Lamingo, Jos. In Lagos, Doris Israel reporting for Newsbuster TV.